Okay, so hi guys, it's me. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make some sea moss. This is some sea moss that I got from my holistic health practitioner. Ooh, tongue twister. And what you're going to see me do is just take it out of the package. I'm going to put the whole package in there. I thought about only using a piece of it, but to be frank, this is my first time making it. So I'm just going to do the whole thing because I don't know if it'll still be good if I leave it in there. And yeah, it stank, y'all. That's that fish smell. A little dust hit me in the eye. Then what you're going to do is take some spring water and pour it in there. Now, whatever bowl that you put your sea moss in, you want to make sure that you are it's a bowl that's big enough. And once you pour your water in, you want to fill it all the way to the top. You want to make sure you really, really, really get it in there, because what we're going to do once we're done is take this bowl, sit it in the fridge, and kind of let it do its thing overnight. Because you want to get all of that fishy sea taste out. And the longer you let your sea moss soak, the better chance you have at doing it. Now, next, what you want to do is get you some limes, but not just any limes. Hold on, pick it back up again, sis. What is it? Key limes. That's what you need, key limes. They're like the size of golf balls. Can't miss them. I get mine from Sprouts Necessity, because that's what's going to help get that fishy taste out of there. I'm cutting mine with a butter knife, so I got to focus. But then, you just squeeze your key limes in there. I did about 2 key limes. You see me trying to get the seeds out. And you want to make sure that you just get all of the juice. All the juice. All the juice. Focus. Put your focus face on. Get all the juice. All the juice. All of it. And then once you're done with that, you just go ahead and drop it in there. Because, again, we need all the juice. So, yeah, once you do that, we're going to put it in the fridge. But we still getting all the juice right now. And then we're going to speed this next part up because you're just going to do the same thing for the other lime. I know y'all see my collard greens simmering in the back too, baby. That's my vegan collard green recipe. Yeah, I'm going to share that with y'all another time. Okay, y'all, listen up, because this next part is about to go real quick and it's really important. Once you finish with your key limes, you got them all in there, you're going to cover the bowl, sit it in the fridge, and let it soak overnight. That's how you're going to get all of that fishy taste out of there, and it's going to end up, this is how you make your sea moss taste like nothing, okay? And then it comes out the next morning looking like this. Now, you're going to pour this water out the bowl the next day, boil some hot water. Put the hot water in a bowl because you just want to give it another rinse just to make sure you get all of that stuff out of there real good, okay? You're going to pour this hot water out, and then you're going to set up your blender, put your sea moss in your blender, and then you're going to add water to fresh spring water to the mixture in the blender, okay? This is not the hot water that you used last time. This is fresh spring water. And that's how you get your sea moss. Now y'all are gonna see mine came out a little clumpy. It came out clumpy, and I said, oh no, this is not what I need. So I had to separate it, add a little bit more water. Boom, came out just right. Feeling oh so silky smooth. Just let your soul go, baby.